Creating a briefing in Spider Impact helps assemble all of your most critical presentation objects in one location. Before I build a briefing, I'll review one that has already been developed. On the primary navigation pane on the left, I'll select Briefings. I now see an existing briefing named Monthly Staff Meeting. To zoom in, I can click on a blank area of the dashboard, and to zoom out, I'll click again. I can review the performance of a different period by switching in the top right, and I'll just switch that from September to August, and then back to September. To present the briefing in a full page mode, I can click Start in the upper right-hand corner. The briefing is comprised of 16 pages. The first is the Corporate Performance Dashboard. I can use the arrows on the top left to navigate one page at a time, either forward or back. I can also navigate directly to a particular page in the briefing by using the drop-down arrow. And I'll just go ahead and pick the 6-page sales report. In this view, I see a number of items with their performance for the past year. At any time, I can drill down on a particular item like sales revenue by clicking on the name. To get back, I'll select the Resume At option in the top left. I can exit full page mode by clicking Stop in the top right. After reviewing an existing briefing, I'll try building one on my own. I'll start by selecting New Briefing. Give it a name like Training, and select Create. I'll see that the briefing is currently blank, but I'm provided with a helpful hint that to fill it, I'll need to use the Send To button in the upper right-hand corner of most screens. To do that, I'll start by selecting Strategy Maps. With Mobile World Strategy Map the only option, in the upper right I'll select the Send To icon and select Briefing. I can name the slide in the briefing anything I'd like, but I'll accept the default name. Towards the lower right, I'll select Training as the destination briefing and click Save. Next, I'll add a dashboard to the briefing by selecting Dashboards. I'll select Corporate Performance, once again select Send To, select Briefing, select the Training Briefing, and choose Save. Third, I'll add a report. I'll select Reports. I'll select the Financial Overview Report, Send To Briefing, select Training, and click Save. Next, I'll add a chart by selecting Charts. I'll select the line chart, select Send To Briefing, select Training, and click Save. Next, I'll add a scorecard view to the briefing by selecting Scorecards. I'll select Financial and click Send To, Briefing, click Training, and click Save. Lastly, I'll add an initiative view. I'll click Send To Briefing, select Training, and click Save. After I've added all the pages I want, I'll take a look at what's been built. I'll select Briefings and select the Training Briefing. I'll click Start in the top right to view the briefing in full screen mode. Using the toggle in the top left, I'll confirm that page 1 is the strategy map, followed by all the different objects that we've covered, dashboards down to initiatives. I'll select the Financial Overview Report and drill down on Product Revenue. To navigate back to the briefing, I'll select Resume At, and then click Stop in the top right. At this point, I may want to edit the briefing by using either the Edit option at the bottom or the Edit Briefing option in the top right. Either option will take me to exactly the same place. In the Edit panel, I have a number of different options. At the top, I can rename the briefing. I can move or copy the briefing to a different organization. I can also delete it by selecting Delete. Since this will delete the entire briefing altogether, there's a clear warning to that fact. I'll be sure to click Cancel here. Moving down, I can also reorder the slides. I'll just move the first one to the second location. And of course I can move it back. I can delete a slide with the trash icon on the far right. This time I'm warned that I'm only deleting an individual slide, but once again I'll select Cancel. If I wish to add a web slide, I can do that with the option in the far right. I would provide a name and a web address and then click Save, but at this point I'll just select Cancel. When I'm done with my editing, I'll select Done in either the top right or the bottom left. Note that if I would like to change the actual slide itself, I can't do that directly within Briefings. Although I have an option to edit slide, I need to go to the original location to make those changes. There's a Go to Original link to help facilitate that process in the top right.